Android phone speed fixes, from laggy to lightning fast. Your Android device doesn't have to feel sluggish, and sluggishness isn't necessarily a sign you need in your phone. Sometimes, a few strategic adjustments can turn back the clock and restore its speed. And here's where it gets a little controversial. Many people overlook simple settings tweaks that can make a huge difference, instead rushing into costly upgrades. But if you're curious about how to refresh your device without breaking the bank, this guide is for you. Imagine your phone as a machine that needs regular tune-ups. Over time, it accumulates clutter, runs unnecessary background processes, and wears down just like any other technology. The good news? Most of these issues are fixable through straightforward adjustments in your settings. From decluttering your app list and freeing up storage to optimizing battery use and disabling background activities, a handful of these changes can provide instant results. Plus, it's a perfect moment to give your device a thorough cleaning, probably dirtier than you think, and clear out dust and debris that slow down performance. Instead of considering a costly upgrade, why not try this smarter, more sustainable approach? Whether you're working with a budget-friendly Android or a high-end flagship model, these simple tips will help reduce lag, free storage space, and keep your phone operating smoothly again. The best part? It takes only a few minutes to perform these updates and reclaim that just out-of-the-box performance. If you're interested in the latest devices, check out our reviews of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Plus, two phones that offer incredible features and performance that might just make you forget about replacing your current device. Now, diving deeper, here are detailed steps to revive your aging Android. Clear out apps you no longer need. Take a few moments to browse your home screen or app drawer and delete unused apps. Not only do obsolete apps waste storage, but they could also access your personal data through permissions granted long ago. The process to delete varies depending on your device manufacturer, but resources are available to guide you through. If you don't see the uninstall option when you long press an app, there are specific methods you can follow. Free up storage by removing old files. After cleaning out unused apps, look into your file storage. Over time, tons of forgotten downloads, like restaurant menus, memes, or documents, accumulate and slow things down. Use your device's pre-installed file management app, whether called Files, My Files, or File Manager, located in your app drawer. Additionally, disable features or notifications that aren't essential for you. This reduces background activity and conserves resources. Revisit privacy settings and permissions. Final but vital step. Review which apps have access to your location, contacts, camera, and other sensitive data. If you find an app that doesn't need certain permissions or gives you uneasy feelings, revoke access. This doesn't just protect your information. It can also help your device run more smoothly by limiting unnecessary data exchanges. All these adjustments serve as a simple yet powerful way to breathe new life into your device. The truth is, many users overlook these options and jump straight to upgrading. But most of the time, your existing device can perform beautifully with just a little customization. So next time your Android feels like it's dragging, ask yourself, are these tweaks enough to keep your current device humming? Or do you think a hardware upgrade is truly necessary? The choice is yours. Manipulate settings smartly or spend more money. What's your take? 10 tips to make your smartphone faster. Is your smartphone slowing you down? It's a common frustration. You've had your smartphone for several years, and suddenly it feels as if it's lost its spark. Applications take longer to open, and switching between them is a test of patience. But before you rush out to buy the latest model, there are effective and budget-friendly methods to enhance your phone's performance without splurging on a new device. Understanding what affects your phone's speed is essential. Storage capacity, outdated applications, battery health, resource-demanding widgets, and weak data connectivity can all contribute to sluggishness. Here are some strategies to help improve your phone's speed, along with tips on when it might be time for an upgrade. Plus, for our Which members, we'll share insights on top-rated tech recommendations. Is your phone getting too old? Let's tackle the big question first. How old is your phone? While many smartphones can potentially last a decade or longer, with the occasional battery replacement, they are often limited by their software support lifespan. This determines how long the manufacturer continues to provide updates and fixes. Once support ends, you might experience a decline in performance, as bug fixes will cease, certain apps may become incompatible, and your device may become more susceptible to security vulnerabilities. If your phone has crossed the 3 to 4 year mark, considering a new one could be beneficial. However, don't make a hasty purchase. Our phone support calculator can help you assess how much productive life remains in your device before you decide to buy new. What's more, you don't need to break the bank for a replacement. Our comprehensive mobile phone reviews highlight excellent options hovering around £400, alongside commendable value choices for under £200. Just ensure you consult our calculator to gauge their longevity before making a commitment. Want more smart shopping tips? Join our Which Members Club for exclusive shopping advice, genuine reviews, and consumer guidance. Join our Facebook group, facebook.com/groups.whichmembersclub/UTM Source Social, UTM Medium FB, UTM Campaign Club, UTM Content Members Club. 1. Restart your phone. Want a quick fix? Try restarting your smartphone. This simple action can work wonders by clearing out unnecessary data from apps that have been running since your last reboot. A weekly restart is often suggested for optimal performance. You might even establish a reminder within your phone settings to ensure you keep up with this habit. If a restart doesn't make a difference, don't worry. There are plenty of other solutions to explore. 2. Clear up space on your phone. Take a moment to declutter your phone. If your device is filled to the brim with photos, videos, and other data, it could be the very reason for its lagging performance. On iPhone, navigate to Settings, General iPhone Storage. This will show a breakdown of your files. Locate the heaviest data segments and review the recommendations provided for storing less needed items. On Android, if you haven't done so already, install the Files by Google app. Open it, select Settings, then hit Clean. Methodically go through each section, and once completed, access Settings again to select the Bin option, where you can permanently delete files. For added efficiency, consider using cloud storage services like Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox if you feel certain files don't necessarily need residence on your device. Looking for more advice? Check out our comprehensive guide on freeing up space on your phone. www.which.co.uk/news/article/how to free space on your smartphone. Update your apps and operating system. Keeping your apps and operating system up to date is crucial. Updates are released to fix security vulnerabilities and enhance performance, sometimes addressing bugs introduced in earlier versions. For iPhone users, access the App Store, tap on your profile picture, and scroll down to discover available app updates. For operating system updates, go to Settings, General, Software Update. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, select your profile picture, and choose Manage Apps and Device, Update All. Then, verify OS updates by heading to Settings, System, Software Update, or System Update, depending on your phone model. To understand how long mobile devices receive essential software and security updates, refer to our guide on mobile phone security. Evaluate your battery health. An aging battery can lead to an overall decline in performance, increased charging time, and diminished battery capacity, especially inconvenient when traveling without a handy charging station. For iPhone users, open Settings Battery and scroll down to Battery Health Charging. Check maximum capacity. If it's below a usable percentage, considering a battery replacement through Apple may be wise, costing around £95, according to their policies on battery wear from normal use. For Android users, head to Settings, Battery Health to assess your battery status and explore tips to prolong its lifespan. Here, you'll also find battery capacity depicted as an estimate of how much charge can currently be held relative to a new battery. Moreover, examine your settings to discover which apps are consuming the most of your battery. If the top offenders are apps you seldom use, it might be time to uninstall them. On iOS, go to Settings, Battery to access app-specific usage. On Android, navigate to Settings, Battery usage to gather similar insights. Don't forget to check our additional tips on improving battery life from which.co.uk/news/article/8 easy ways to improve battery life on iPhone and Android, A8DEU7HBH. Minimize the use of widgets. While widgets can provide quick information at a glance, they often refresh in the background, which can bog down your device. Removing unneeded widgets can give a noticeable boost, especially on older models. For iPhone, long press a widget to select it and then choose Remove. For Android, long press a widget to select it and drag it to the Remove option at the top of your screen. If you rely on widgets for information like weather or news updates, consider replacing them with dedicated applications you can open only when you need the information. Remember, animated widgets require more processing power than static ones. 6. Assess your mobile and Wi-Fi signal strength. Sometimes the sluggishness of your phone could be due to poor internet connections rather than a fault with the device itself. Begin by checking your signal strength, as a weak connection can lead to slow loading times for web pages or downloads. For iPhone, go to Settings Wi-Fi and note the visual strength indicator. If it's showing just a single bar, the signal is not strong. For mobile data, head to Settings Mobile Data. For Android, navigate to Settings Internet. Tap the cog icon next to your connected hotspot and check signal strength. A reading of fair or poor might explain lingering loading times. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try relocating closer to your router or consider investing in a Wi-Fi extender. If it's your mobile data that's lacking, our mobile network coverage map could help you find a more reliable provider in your area. 7. Manage your notifications. Handling non-essential notifications can alleviate background activity and reduce distractions, making your phone feel more responsive. For iPhone, swipe left on a notification from an app to reveal options where you can choose to mute for 1 hour, for today, or to turn it off entirely. For Android, long press on a notification and select the option to turn off notifications. To adjust app settings without waiting for a new message, head to Settings, Notifications, App Notifications. To learn more about how to combat annoying notifications and maintain your productivity, check out our guide on managing phone notifications. which.co.uk/news/article/how to get rid of annoying phone notifications. AGQ4Q8. Factory reset as a last resort. When all else fails and your phone is still laggy, a factory reset can restore it to the same condition it was in when first unboxed. However, This action will erase all your data, apps, and settings. For iPhone, backup is essential. Go to Settings, tap on your profile picture, and select iCloud for backup. Then, proceed to Settings, Transfer, or Reset. iPhone, erase all content and settings to reset. For Android, backup your files through Settings, System Backup. Once you've secured your data, follow the path: Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase all data, Factory Reset. Join our tech support. Need further assistance? Our dedicated tech support is here to help you overcome tech-related challenges while also providing expert purchasing advice. Gain access to our services from just £4.99 a month. Sign up for Tech Support today and empower yourself with expert guidance. Chat, email, or receive printed tips via Tech magazine delivered directly to your home. You can access unlimited one-on-one expert support, whether it be through remote help, phone guidance, or at your own convenience. Final thoughts. While these steps can certainly help rejuvenate an older smartphone, we understand that sometimes a device might reach the end of its useful life. If you find yourself contemplating a new purchase, our expert reviews can assist in identifying models that excel in battery longevity and overall performance. Do you think you'll opt for a simple upgrade or take the plunge on a newer model? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have any tips of your own? Share your insights and engage in the conversation below.